What would happen if an asteroid the size of a city collided with Earth? Imagine a massive rock plunging through the atmosphere, racing toward the planet's surface. What consequences would await us from such a collision? We'll explain right now. After colliding with the atmosphere, the asteroid triggers fires and storms. Hundreds of thousands of tons of heated gases and dust scatter into the air, instantly changing the climate. A catastrophic storm begins on Earth, with fires engulfing cities. The asteroid's impact causes earthquakes and tsunamis. Massive waves crash onto coastlines, mountains collapse, and volcanoes erupt. Multiple natural disasters leave Earth in ruins. Forests and plants can't survive in these conditions. Fires and radiation destroy millions of hectares of vegetation. The Earth becomes uninhabitable for most life forms. Animals unable to escape are trapped. Within a few hundred kilometers, life ceases, from small creatures to large mammals. The animal world is at risk of complete extinction. Humanity also suffers from the catastrophe. Civilization is nearly destroyed, and the remaining people must fight for survival. They face shortages of resources, disease, and ruined cities. Billion tons of dust and gas block sunlight. This triggers a nuclear winter, drastically lowering the planet's temperature. Earth plunges into cold and darkness. Changes in ecosystems lead to the global extinction of animals and plants. The Earth's biosphere won't recover for millennia. Humanity will face a long period of degradation. The world will never be the same after such a blow. But is it possible to restore life on Earth? How long can humanity fight? Share your thoughts in the comments.